Okay, we're going to have a look at making payments on the company credit card. So go to the bank module and highlight company credit card. Now the first sort of payment we're going to make is just a batch payment, and then we'll have a look at a supplier payment. So go to the payment window, and let's say we've got a receipt for some fuel. Let's say that we're actually running a transport, or let's say a taxi business, and our fuel goes through the company account, so it goes through the company credit card. So there's our bank, 1240. Let's say it's the 31st of July 07. The reference is obviously going to be the VAT receipt for the fuel, and that might have a reference number on it, or you might just want to put receipt 73 fuel and oil 7300, and let's just say diesel Shell Leamington. Okay, and that was £50, and we want to break that down into net and VAT, so press the calc net button, which breaks it down for us, and there's the £50 amount, and then we'll save that, close that, and that's now gone into our company credit card and will be available on Sage to check off when the credit card statement comes through. Now let's say we also have a supplier to pay, and we've chosen this time, because they take credit card payments, we've chosen to pay them off the credit card. So in the same way as if you were paying it off the current account, this time we just select the company credit card account, go to the supplier button, and in the usual way we can then pick off our suppliers, see who we owe. Right, oh, that's a good start. I don't think we'll use that one. Whoops. Let's go back to Wallace Office Equipment. Okay, we'll ignore that message for now. Okay, and we want to pay, let's say we want to pay off this little invoice here. So where were we? We were in, well, when's that? April. We were in July, weren't we? A bit late paying this, but never mind. Let's say July 07. And for the check number, obviously it's not a check, it's the card. And I think what I would tend to do is always just put the name of the card that's paying it off. But you can use any reference you want at all. But I think I'm just going to put card, let's say it's 2043 is the last 4 digits in the card number. Whoops. And we're going to pay this little one here. So just the same as when we do an ordinary purchase payment. Pay in full. So we're on the company credit card. That's the amount. It's going to Wallace Office Equipment. So we'll save that. And then that just gets handled through the supplier ledger just in the normal way. It just means that when you look at that supplier, you'll see that instead of paying them through the bank current account, this time you paid them by the company credit card, and then that payment will pop up on the credit card statement which you'll receive at the end of the month, and then you can match it against Sage and then take some money from the current account to pay it off, which we'll show you how to do in a separate video.